Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anu, working as a psychiatrist in Tulsi Healthcare. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया एंड सम टिप्स टू मैनेज इट फॉर द फैमिली एंड एट होम. सो एज यू ऑल नो, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया मेजर मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है, डिसऑर्डर है, जो कि यूजुअली 1% ऑफ द पीपल में होता है. डेफिनेटली स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया कैन नॉट बी, इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच कैन बी treated per se. There is no cure for it. It can be managed using medications. So antipsychotics are the most commonly used medications. कुछ therapies होती हैं जो हम use करते हैं to help the person who has schizophrenia overcome the symptoms and understand it in a better way, so that वो उसको manage कर सके खुद से और families उनको help करवा सके manage करने में. Other than these things, there are certain things which a person suffering from schizophrenia and people living with that person can do to help the person. So सबसे पहले आता है support. So the support of family, the support of friends and the relatives who live with and around the person suffering from schizophrenia is a big thing. A lot of times the negative symptoms as we talk, so mostly क्या होता है कि वो isolate कर लेते हैं खुद को. Isolation से धीरे धीरे करके symptoms worsen होते जाते हैं, वो treatment के लिए बाहर नहीं आ पाते हैं, they don't seek help and ultimately चीज़ें as the time passes, the illness becomes more and more chronic and more difficult to treat. The support is very much essential, first in order to start the treatment, second in order to maintain the person who is taking treatment. So now that support can be your friends, your family, your colleagues, even the therapist you are going to, the psychiatrist you are going to, all these people comprise of the support. Another thing that is very much important is the physical activity, that is doing certain activities like even going for a walk or getting out of your bed and doing a 30 minutes yoga और कुछ डांस करना या इस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज़ यूजुअली आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स को और आपके मूड को काफ़ी बूस्ट अप करती हैं एंड जो नेगेटिव सिम्टम्स की हम बात करते हैं उनको रिड्यूस करवाने में काफ़ी हद तक हेल्प करती है. अनदर थिंग इज टू मेंटेन अ डेली रूटीन. सो डेली रूटीन विल गिव यू अ स्ट्रक्चर. एज यू हैव मोर स्ट्रक्चर इन योर डे, you will be able to manage yourself in a better way. आपकी compliance हमेशा better रहेगी and जो symptoms होते हैं उनके ऊपर you will not be focusing too much on those symptoms, rather you will be focusing more on the productivity of your life. Another thing is a lot of supplements are seen to help with schizophrenia. So along with medications, not just कि आप दवाइयाँ बंद करके सिर्फ ये supplements लें. So along with the antipsychotics, the core antipsychotics that you are already taking, उनके साथ में कुछ supplements जैसे कि folic acid या B complex, multivitamins हो गए, they have seen to help improve the symptoms of schizophrenia. Other than that, omega-3 acids, antioxidants जो होते हैं, कुछ diets जैसे कि non-vegetarian diet के अंदर red meat हो गया, these things they help you boost the antioxidant properties जो होती हैं इनकी, they help with the symptoms. हमने रिसर्चेस में ये देखा है कि बिकॉज ऑफ दी ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस जो होता है उसकी वजह से कुछ केमिकल चेंजेस होते हैं बॉडी में जो कि इन सिम्टम्स को वर्सन कर सकता है. So using antioxidants can help you there. जैसे vitamin E, it's a very good antioxidant. So supplementing your diet with vitamin E, maybe capsule or the foods that have vitamin E can help in that. So these are certain things which you can do, certain dietary modification that you can do to help improve the symptoms of schizophrenia. But along with the antipsychotics and the therapy that you are already taking for the treatment of schizophrenia, these things can help improve the symptoms even much better as compared to just those sole antipsychotics and therapies. But again, I will tell you that ये सब चीज़ें करना is not the only solution for treatment of schizophrenia. You might find these remedies on Google and you might think कि अच्छा दवाइयाँ लेने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है because दवाइयाँ तो बहुत सारे side effects भी कर रही हैं and you may stop taking the medications. No, please don't stop taking the medication, but add on these things along with your medications and your therapies for you to help improve the symptoms at a faster rate and comparatively better. I hope this video helps you understand कि ये सारी चीज़ें करने से आपकी ट्रीटमेंट या जो मैनेजमेंट है वो फास्टर हो जाएगी and it would be better, but it's not the only thing that you can do to improve the symptoms of schizophrenia. In order, if you have any query, please you can contact us. Thank you.